Hey travelers, welcome back to Vacation Life. I'm Maikita, and on this episode, we are going to be boarding the Grand Princess for an unforgettable Caribbean cruise. We're sailing round trip from Puerto Rico with stops in Tortola, St. Kitts, Dominica, Grenada, and Barbados. Taking you along for the full experience, ship tour, cabin tour, dining shows, my pre-cruise stay at the Ocean Condado, adults only in Puerto Rico, and everything in between. So grab your suitcase, let's get into this cruise. San Juan, Puerto Rico, we made it. And before we board the Grand Princess tomorrow, we're starting off right here at the gorgeous adults only Ocean Condado Club. This is honestly one of the best pre-cruise stays you can do in San Juan. Modern, oceanfront, and the vibes, 10 out of 10. Okay, hold on now. Can we talk about this view? This is exactly how you start a cruise vacation. The Condado Ocean Club is adults only, super stylish, and is literally right on the ocean. Pool, cocktails, sunsets, it's a whole mood. If every pre-cruise day looked like this, I'd never go home. Tomorrow we board the Grand Princess, so today we're just soaking in paradise and easing into vacation mode. It is officially boarding day today. Let's go board the Grand Princess. You guys, this is my first time sailing out of Puerto Rico and second time sailing with Princess Cruises. I am so ready. And look at the Grand Princess just sitting there. She's classic, elegant, and we are boarding for a 7-night Caribbean itinerary. One thing I absolutely love about cruising with Princess is how seamless boarding is with the medallion. You literally just walk up and that's it. The boarding process was so simple, it literally just took minutes. As I was green lane, I already had my medallion, so all I had to do was just walk up, show my passport, and board the ship. Princess has two boarding processes, green lane and blue lane. Green lane means that you completed your check-in process and had your medallion shipped to your home. With blue lane, you will need to pick your medallion up at the port. Home away from home for the next 7 nights is B709, located on the Baja deck. This is a balcony cabin, and what I loved about it is it had enough closet space and storage for 2 people to be comfortable for a whole week. Okay guys, you know I had to do it. Here is your pro tip. Loyalty matters with cruise lines. When you sail with Princess and become an elite member, one of the perks is a fully stocked minibar. One major game changer with Princess Cruise Line is their Ocean Now delivery, which means you can order a beverage or food and have them deliver it to you anywhere on the ship. During the magic show with the cutest little co-host, we are officially sailing away from Puerto Rico. Let me show you where we're headed this week. 7 nights visiting Tortola, the British Virgin Islands, St. Kitts, Dominica, Grenada, and Barbados. Caribbean, here we come. Make sure you're subscribed because the full cruise vlog series is coming. Excursions, food, shows, everything. Let's cruise.